Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make wordmark logo design. In this design I'm using just as an X font. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Select text tool and put text in it. Color it. Create outline. Make a line with pen tool, convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Adjust it. Make copy with it. Select both lines, go to Object and Expand Unchecked Fill and press OK. Select both files, delete middle shapes with Shape Builder. Now release compound all alphabets. Select text bottom shapes and color it. Select text top shapes and color it. Make a box with pen tool. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.